guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways on how you can create an Etsy account. So if you wish to create an Etsy account, you have to follow the steps. If you're using an application or a web browser, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. So in my case, I'm using a web browser. So first thing, open up a browser. On a web address bar, go ahead and type in etsy.com. So when you open up the following application, this is how it's going to look like. Now, in order to begin with the creation of your account, go ahead and press the sign in button from the top right hand side corner, and then a pop-up menu appears. So then go to register. As you would do that, you have to go ahead and enter in your email address, first name, and then the password. Or you could also go ahead and continue with your Facebook or a Google ID or an Apple ID. You could use any of these, and when you do that, you have to go ahead and enter in your email address. So I'm going to quickly enter in the following information. As you can see, with very simple steps, you've already created your account. The only thing you'll need to do is now provide in your shipping address and all that, and you'll have successfully registered for Etsy. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.